So this video is going to show you how to install your LED angel eye module that's Bluetooth enabled to switch whatever color that you want. This is mostly for shows or places that you go just to have fun with your buddies. Let me show you how to install it real quick. It's very possible to do this without removing the wheels. You can just turn the wheels to either side, whichever side you're working on. I'm just doing it so it makes it easier for you guys to see. Remove both trims and grills. Remove your weather strip. You have 4 T27 screws that hold the shutter system. Remove them, and 2 clips. 8mm socket. Remove your wheel well cover. Do the same for the other side. Remove the 10 8mm bolts underneath the bumper. You have 2 8mm screws that hold the bumper from the fender. Remove those 2. Do the same for the other side. You're going to grab between this bar and the shutter system and simply tug up so it unclips. Here's number 2. Grab the side of the bumper, wiggle it out of place. Same for the other side. You have 3 T20 screws on the shutter system. Remove them so you're able to wiggle out the headlight when removing it. Passenger side, you have 3 connections. Your exterior ambient temperature sensor, your 6 PDC hole sensor, and your harness that connects all your park distance control sensors. So just remove those 3 from here, and on the driver's side you only have 1 PDC sensor to remove, so remove it on the other side as well. And that's how you remove the front bumper on a G30. Grab the top of the shutter, unplug your shutter motor, and now the shutter's out of the way. You have 4 T30 screws that hold the headlight, one right here, and the second one is right over here, and 2 on top. Remove them and unplug the harness. Grab the top of the headlight, wiggle it out of place, and unplug the harness. And the headlight comes out. Do the same for the other side. T20, remove the modules. Unplug it, remove the T20 screw right in the middle of the module. Take your old module out. You take your new module, you put it in its place. Those angel eye modules are connected to this control box. This control box is connected through Bluetooth. Now just do the same for the headlight on the other side. On the control box, you have 3 cables, red, black, and white. If you look at your shutter motor plug, you'll see that it has brown, white, and red. So this is what we're gonna tap into. So the red goes into red, brown goes into the black one, and the white cable taps into the white line. So when the car turns off, the headlights will turn off as well, and they don't stay on and drain the battery. Plug the module back in. Don't be afraid of this cable. Even though it's gonna get pinched, it's okay. These are made just for this. Once they're tapped in, take your extra line, zip tie it. This side goes to the left angel eye, and this side goes to the right one. You run your cable. Your control box, luckily there's a little hole right over here, and it's the perfect size for it. So just shove your control box right under it. Take your cables, run them there as well. Once you put back the shutter, it'll look clean, all OEM. Now take your T30 and bolt up your 2 headlights. You got 4 screws on each side, 2 on the bottom and 2 on top. T20, tighten down your shutter system. Put your 4 T27 screws back on and your 2 clips. Now we just put back the bumper. You have 2 8mm screws that hug the bumper and the fender together. Put them back on for each side. Clip the front bumper to the shutter. Put your wheel well back on. Put both covers on, the weather strip and the grills, and you're done with the top. Once you plug it in, download the app. You'll find the QR code on the kit itself. Just scan it and it'll download to your phone and connect through the Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and test it. Let's go ahead and select red. Oh my God, that looks so good. Let's go with blue. Oh man. Wow, you can even change the combos. There's also many options in the app. You can play with music. I don't want to get copyrighted, but you can also make them play the music. Back to red and blue. Man, this is so cool. You're also allowed to play with the brightness if you want them very low or very bright, especially in person. Keep in mind, you guys can always keep them just white, like normal, and this is brighter than the stock DRL itself. And if you're at a car show, you're hanging out with your buddies, you can always go a different color. You can mix match colors, whatever you guys want. But here you go. Here's the video. It's very simple. If you guys want one, let me know. I'll send you the links. Very simple stuff. Alrighty guys, till next time, take it easy. Peace.
Alright, that's not good. Alright. You guys need to open up. Take a step back. Take a step back. He wants to go for it. Alright, we need to make sure we pass that on video. There you go. Alright, you're gonna do 3 revs. Ready? Go.